Hi, I'm Najihah. So we're going to continue our tutorial series with Adobe Illustrator. So if you guys are interested to learn about Adobe Illustrator, don't forget to check out all the videos that we have in this playlist because it is all about Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys have fun and see you later. Hi guys, we are back with the next episode of Illustrator tutorials. So for this episode, I'm going to explain to you in depth on artboards that we have in Illustrator or something that we already created when we create a new document before this. So basically, as you can see, this is my screen. You can see I have a lot of artboards inside of my screen. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have a different size of artboards. As you can see, this one is in A4. This one is in A4, this one is in A1 size, and I have a postcard size, I have a business card size. So basically in Illustrator, you can create multiple of artboards with different sizes, different shape, and different position where you can place it wherever you want it. So for the artboard panels, I'm going to go to my tool and then I'm going to search for my artboard tools, which is this one, or you can just select or press Shift O on your keyboard, where your state of your screen will now entering the artboard mode. That's what I call it, artboard mode, because the difference between artboard mode with a normal mode is this one is in artboard mode where you can have a selected artboards active, and if I press ESC or escape on my keyboard, it will exit from my artboard mode into my normal mode. So this is my normal mode. So if you wanted to do some adjustment or if you wanted to create an artboard, you have to be in the artboard mode first, where you can do it in two ways. First, using the artboard tools or Shift O on your keyboard. So now I am in my artboard mode. I'm going to create a new artboard according to my own size. So how I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna select any of the working area, working space, which is in gray, as you can see this one. So I'm going to drag accordingly any sizes by default like this. And now as you can see, I have a new artboard created just like that. So if I wanted to have a more control, I wanted to do some adjustment, I want to have my own size of the artboard, I'm just gonna select window and go to the artboard panels. So this is my artboard panel. As you can see, it's floating. And what if I wanted to attach to my other control panel? I'm just going to drag it into the next of this panel until I can see these blue lines, and then when I release my mouse, you can see my artboard panels now are attached with my other control panels. So in my artboard panels, you can see I have a list of artboards that I already created in my project file. So I have 1, 2, 3 until 10s of artboard, which is true, this all my artboards are. And you can see down here, down of this panel, you can see I have another buttons down there. I have a move up buttons, I have a move down buttons, I have a new artboard buttons, and also a dustbin, which is to delete my artboard. So if I click this move up buttons, so basically I'm able to arrange my artboard accordingly and positioning my artboards according to my moving up and moving down buttons where I want it to be. So I can always arrange my artboards like this. An example, if I wanted to create more artboards, I'm just gonna select this new artboards where it will be creating a new artboards, as you can see. So one thing, as you can see, the new artboard that has been created will follow the previous artboard that I selected. Example, now I'm selecting this 05 artboard 24. You can see it's now in blue, which is this artboard is active, and as you can see in my artboard list, which is 5 artboard 24, the same name as here. So if I go down here and if I create a new artboard right now, so you can see it's duplicating the same exact artboards like previously, but with a different name, with a new name, which is 06 artboard 25. So that's one of the ways to duplicate the same exact size of artboards. And another way that you can use is by using your own shortcut, which is pressing the alternate on your Windows and option on your Mac. And once you're selecting and once you're holding this alternate or option button, you can see your cursor is now changing into a double cursor symbol. This is the previous one, which is a move symbol, and if you're holding the alternate option keys, it will change into a double cursor symbol, meaning it's for duplicating. So I can just drag it to the right side So, and then it will create a new artboard. So you can see a new name, 13 artboard 25 copy, which is copying this previous artboard, which is the artboard next to it. So that's another way for you to duplicate the artboard. So hope to see you guys again in the next episode.